Had a big meal and need to loosen your belt? Adjusting a regular belt can be a hassle, especially when you'll need to tighten it again later. That's where the Mebelly SmartFit belt stands out. Key features: precision adjustment, fine-tune the fit down to 0.6 mm with just a touch, or let it adjust automatically for you. Long-lasting battery, the built-in battery lasts over 2 weeks on a single charge. Versatile style options, whether you're dressing up in a business suit or keeping it casual with jeans and a t-shirt, Mebelly fits any occasion. Starting at $99, the Mebelly SmartFit belt combines functionality and fashion for ultimate comfort. Upgrade your wardrobe today.
Introducing the L-Ring 2, where style meets convenience. This innovative smart ring combines cutting-edge technology with ChatGPT functionality. It can translate speech in real time, convert it to text, and even highlight key points for you. But that's not all. The L-Ring 2 lets you control multiple gadgets effortlessly using just gestures, whether it's your TV, drone, gamepad, or mouse. This device is designed to support a wide range of devices. With a 10-hour battery life on a single charge, the L-Ring 2 keeps up with your busy day. Plus, its included charging case provides an extra 14 charges, perfect for when you're on the go. Get the L-Ring 2, including the smart ring and charging case, starting at just $159.
Love capturing stunning photos with your phone? Meet the Kimtow lens, your pocket-sized powerhouse. With 12x zoom, a 400mm focal length, and a wide f/1.8 aperture, this lens lets you create beautiful blur effects and stunning depth of field. Perfect for snapping distant subjects, whether it's football games or breathtaking landscapes, you'll never miss a moment. Setting it up is effortless. The custom case fits Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, and Vivo phones. Ready to level up your photography? Get the Kimtow lens combo starting at just $89.
CatchPad, the versatile training device for all sports. The CatchPad is a must-have for both beginners and experienced riders, offering incredible versatility for a variety of sports. Over 100 exercises includes workouts for tennis, soccer, shooting sports, and even physical therapy. Advanced sensors features touch and proximity sensors for precise control. The touch sensor has 10 sensitivity levels, and the proximity sensor allows for adjustable triggering in 5 cm increments. Balance tracking tracks vibrations, pressure, force, and impact, providing feedback through sound effects. Perfect for training or therapy, a set of CatchPads starts at just $99. Board Drop, game, train, and ride anytime. Board Drop is a unique controller made from real skateboards and snowboards, perfect for gaming and fitness. Train year-round, practice riding skills, and learn new tricks anytime. Compete online, play with friends, or join teams to compete globally. AI-powered training, get personalized programs based on your performance. Wide compatibility, works with Windows 10, 11, Nintendo Switch, MetaQuest, Apple TV, Vision Pro, Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Starting at $239, Board Drop is ideal for gamers and riders alike. RW1, the ultimate watchwinder for enthusiasts. Robostand created the RW1, a smart robot that stores and winds your mechanical watches. Clockwise and counterclockwise rotations with TPD options, 1,000 turns per day for clockwise, and 2 options, 1,700 for counterclockwise. UV lamp keeps luminous inserts charged. Protective screen prevents accidental openings and protects watches from pets. Early backers could snag it for just $99 on Kickstarter. Perfect for watch lovers. Looktech AI Glasses, smart glasses that know you. The Looktech AI Glasses are more than just eyewear, they're packed with powerful features, 13MP camera for photos and 2K videos, real-time language translation with a built-in microphone, features like a media player, calorie tracking, and navigation, powered by AI algorithms like GPT-4, Gemini, and Claude, learning from your habits. 14-hour battery life on a single charge. Starting at just $29, the Looktech AI Glasses offer amazing technology at an affordable price. Fresiio 3 Ultimate EDC Flashlight. The SPERAS U3 is a flashlight designed for everyday carry. Whether you're at home fixing things or on an outdoor adventure, it's built to handle it all. Here's what it offers: 700 lumens of classic white light, 5 modes, including a green laser, red light for night photography, UV lamp, and emergency signal. Lightweight at just 70 grams, with an 850 mAh battery lasting up to 53 hours. All this for just $42, a great price for a powerful, versatile EDC flashlight. DEFI Smart Pill Bottle. Never miss a dose. Staying on top of your medication can be tough, with 75% of people struggling to remember their doses. That's where the DEFI Smart Pill Bottle comes in. This smart bottle doesn't just remind you with lights and sounds, it sends notifications and can even call your phone if you miss a dose. Plus, it automatically logs when you take your medication, showing the time you last opened the bottle. And the best part? It's affordable, starting at just $5. Keep your medication on track with the DEFI Smart Pill Bottle. Grater Rain is an electric cheese grater that works with just one touch. It offers 3 grating options: fine, coarse, and shaving. The built-in battery lasts up to 3 months on a single charge. It's not just for cheese, it can also grate chocolate and other ingredients. Prices start at $149. Fro Smart Lunchbox, fresh food anytime. Still using lunchboxes? Good news, they've had a tech upgrade. Meet the Fro Smart Lunchbox, designed to keep food fresh up to 6 times longer than regular containers. How? It's vacuum sealed, removing 99% of air with just one press. This preserves 80% of nutrients and 90% of freshness, even after hours in the fridge. Veggies stay fresh for 15 days. Meat stays fresh for 18 days. Eco-friendly, no need for plastic bags. The set, which includes a vacuum station and 4009L containers, is priced at $102, perfect for anyone who loves fresh food on the go. Pheyto Mini Dryer, compact and versatile. The Pheyto Mini Dryer is a space-saving solution for drying clothes. It handles up to 3 kilograms and offers multiple programs for synthetics, cottons, and even shoes. Operating quietly at 55 dB, it won't disturb your home. Bonus features? It doubles as an ionizer and air humidifier, all for just $33.